Have you ever felt overwhelmed by stress and didn't know what triggered it? You're not alone. Stress is a common part of our life, but identifying its triggers and building resilience can significantly improve our well-being and productivity. Hello everyone, today we'll explore how to pinpoint what causes our stress and learn strategies to become more resilient. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand what stress triggers are and how they impact your life. Identify your own stress triggers. Learn strategies to build resilience against stress. Apply these strategies to improve your daily life and productivity. Stress triggers or stressors are events or conditions that cause stress. They can be external, like work deadlines or social pressure, or internal, such as negative self-talk. Understanding your stress triggers is the first step towards managing it. For some people, public speaking is a significant stress trigger, causing anxiety and discomfort. For others, it might be financial worries or relationship issues. Think of stress triggers as the sparks that ignite a fire. If we can identify and control the sparks, we can prevent the fire from spreading. To manage stress effectively, it is crucial to identify what specifically triggers it for you. This involves self-reflection and mindfulness. Keep a stress diary for a week, noting down situations that cause stress and how you responded. Keeping a stress diary. Alex discovered that tight deadlines and last-minute changes were major stressors. This awareness helps him in managing his stress better. Steps to identify stress triggers. Self-reflection. Take time to think about past stressful events and what caused them. Mindfulness. Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings in stressful situations. Stress diary. Write down stressful events and your reactions. Strategies to build resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from stress. It develops through effective stress management, not stress elimination. Develop a positive mindset. A positive mindset can significantly impact your ability to handle stress. Focus on positive aspects of your life and practice gratitude. Start a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. This practice can shift your focus from stresses to positive experiences. Strengthen social connections. Strong relationships with family and friends provide support during stressful times. Don't hesitate to reach out to loved ones when you're feeling stressed. Maria, another student, found that talking to her friends about her stress helped her feel supported and less isolated. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental health is crucial for building resilience. This includes regular exercise, a healthy diet, sufficient sleep, and relaxation techniques. Incorporate activities like yoga or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine to manage stress levels. Now that we have discussed various strategies to build resilience, let's look at how to apply them in our daily life. If you know that tight deadlines are a stress trigger, plan your task ahead of time. Set realistic goals and take breaks to avoid burnout. Use positive self-talk to encourage yourself and seek support from friends if needed. John, a student of mine who used to struggle with stress during exams, started applying these resilience strategies, practicing mindfulness and setting realistic study goals. He managed his stress better and improved his academic performance. Now here is what I want you to do. Create a visual representation such as a poster or a slideshow that illustrates your stress triggers and the resilience strategies you used. Include your reflections on how these strategies impact your stress levels and overall well-being. Thank you for your attention today. Identifying your stress triggers and building resilience are essential skills for managing well-being and productivity. I am eager to hear how you applied these strategies. Have a wonderful rest of your day.